All right, kids, let's take a little quick look at the market today. We have Bitcoin down, hovering around $19,000. We were at 19,500 yesterday, so we're down about $500 from yesterday, which kind of makes sense because the markets were pretty much in complete turmoil. We have some interesting price action. I guess you could probably say on the negative side. Um, Cardano did dip under 40 cents. It was at about 39 and a half cents. Bounced up as soon as Bitcoin bounced up a few $100. So, we got Cardano at 40 cents. So, we'll see how long that holds. Hopefully 40 cents is some resistance for Cardano. I really don't know. I think Cardano could drop as low as 30, 35 cents if Bitcoin crashes pretty hard, but great buying opportunity. We also saw Theta. Theta dropped under a dollar. The last time Theta dropped under a dollar was when Bitcoin dropped from 30,000 to 20,000. I got some Theta for, I believe, about 99 cents, and then it pretty much shot right back up to 20 cents. Last night, Theta dropped to about 99 cents, and then basically shot back up to a $1.05, and now we're hovering around a $1.03. So, yeah, we're definitely seeing some negative price action on some of these altcoins. But the interesting thing about at least Theta and Cardano, found this article that Theta price was at a $1.03, down 1.74%. Theta fell below a dollar on Monday, dropping to 99.38. This was the lowest price for the coin since 2020. That's actually not true because I actually bought some Theta at about 99 cents 4 or 5 months ago. That was the last time it dumped. So, I mean, around that area. So, yeah, Theta has been here before in the last 6 months, and then before that was in 2020. But the interesting thing is, as soon as Theta dropped below a dollar, you had a major volume spike in Theta. So Theta's current trade volume is 24 million over the last 24-hour period, and that trade volume is up 75% in that time. So it looks like investors are taking interest in Theta since its historic low point. And that's the thing going on right now. People are looking, like the smart money is looking to accumulate. They're looking for lower prices. When smart money sees Theta under a dollar, they're buying it. And that's really interesting that, they have trade volume up 75% just by dropping a few cents to go under a dollar. So a lot of the smart money, the whales, they're looking to buy now because they want to make a bank in the coming years going into the next bull market. So for me, this is awesome time to buy. I'm looking to get my next load of Theta probably at about 95, 90 cents. Like I said, I already bought a ton of Theta at like 99 cents a few months ago. So, I'm not going to buy any until we go lower than that. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson cuts ties with the XRP community due to continued criticism from the XRP army after his conspiracy comments during a recent online interview. Hoskinson said he's been trolled and harassed by some XRP followers for days. I mean, the one thing about the XRP community, it's really a cult, and that's one thing that turned me off about XRP. Even back in 2017 when I first got into crypto, I had a little bit of XRP, but I never liked the YouTubers. I never liked the community. They were such shillers. And it was always like a bunch of it was either like a little kid promoting XRP or it was some fat middle-aged guy. It was like no in between. So it was like kind of like weird. I mean, XRP is XRP. I mean, the thing about XRP that people have to understand is all of the price action right now in XRP is just speculators speculating that they're going to have a positive outcome for this SEC lawsuit. Of course, the SEC is suing Ripple Labs, and none of this price speculation is on actual adoption of XRP and use case. So it's 100% pump and dump. So even if XRP prevails with this SEC lawsuit, you're just going to see a quick spike in price, and then eventually it's going to dump. So, I mean, I'd say, yeah, it's a great coin to trade if you really think they're going to beat this XRP lawsuit, but the long term on XRP has been around since like 2016, 2017. I mean, the adoption stinks. They've accomplished absolutely nothing. It's basically a dead chain. Nobody's using it. Some companies used XRP for a little bit. They tried it out. Some banks, I think, tried it out and then they basically stopped. Western Union, I think, tried to use some product that was related to XRP. They stopped. It wasn't beneficial to them. So to me, it's a dead chain. I mean, yeah, it could totally pump over $1, maybe even hit $2 or $3 in the next bull market, as long as this SEC case goes positive. But there's so many other better coins you could buy. And what if this XRP lawsuit gets dragged out or it goes negative for XRP? You're going to see XRP go right back down to 20 cents. But beyond that, the people who are peddling XRP, they're such pieces of garbage. It's a cult. It's like look up any cult on YouTube and then look at XRP people. It's the same freaking thing. And I don't really want to be a member of a cult. I mean, come on, that never does it ever end well when you're a member of a cult. So I guess Charles Hoskinson has finally had enough of the XRP cult, which is fine. Who cares? I mean, XRP, whatever. All right, so what else we got? Bitcoin holds steady at 19,000 amid growing signs of institutional adoption. And I'll be honest, folks, I really thought Bitcoin would have dropped below 15,000 by now, especially everything going on with the world and Russia and inflation everywhere and the stock market crashing. I actually think Bitcoin holding at 19,000 is a really, really positive sign. Bitcoin has really come a long way, and it really has even far exceeded my expectations. I do think we'll probably eventually dip down to 17, 16,000, maybe. I don't know. It's all a guess, I would think, but there's no guarantee. And you just don't want to be one of those people who didn't buy Bitcoin at 18 and 19,000 because you thought it was going to go to 12,000 and then you missed out on like crazy gains. And I guarantee that's 99% of all crypto investors. I saw it all in 2017. I was kind of part of the problem in 2018, 2019, selling a lot of my coins and buying back in higher. I would have made a lot more money if I just bought the dips and held until we went into the bull market. So that's what I'm going to do this time. My next buy low for Bitcoin, I would say under $18,000. But, will we get there? Maybe, maybe not. I really don't know. But I actually think Bitcoin is something that in the heat of this recession, in the coming months, people are really going to put their money into, and especially people who hold currencies in other countries. A lot of these currencies are collapsing, and I do think Bitcoin will be something that people put money in. So I actually see Bitcoin dominance really going up, which happens every bear market anyway, and I think a lot of these altcoins will basically see some weakness as Bitcoin pretty much has a little bit of a pumpage back above 20,000 as people just look for a safe haven to get out of some of these currencies. So it is good to have some Bitcoin. I actually made a video about buying GBTC. I bought a little bit of GBTC, and I'm probably going to buy some more GBTC since it's at a discount. And I think that's going to work out going into 2024 and towards the end of 2023. All right, let's see what Crypto Banter's up to. And I always make fun of Crypto Banter because this guy's a Bybit leverage trading shill. I'm kind of figuring out what he's up to. He mentioned in his video today there's like 600 people so far who have signed up for this trading competition. I'd love to know what Bybit and BitGet pay him per person signing up. But say they pay him $5-10 per person. What's 500 times 600? I mean, this guy's making a killing. But here's a little bit. Like, he has 2 segments, which is, 15-20 minutes, solely trying to get people to do leverage trading.
Into our trading competition. Now is a great time to do it because I'm going to be funding some accounts. How do you do it? You go to the video over here first, and you first got to sign up with our referral links, and then you got to click on Bybit and BitGet. You can enter both. You can enter Bybit and BitGet. I'm entered both.
So if you can't see what's going on here, I mean, I would assume anybody with at least a 50 or 60 IQ can see this guy's whole existence is to try to get you to sign up for one of these leverage trading sites where he's making a kickback. I mean, put in my comments below if you don't see that, because at this point it's so blatant. It's so blatant. But, I guess some people just don't care. But yeah, folks, this is how this guy's making all his money. He has major deals with this BitGet and Bybit. You sign up. He mentioned they have about 600 or 700 people already signed up. I mean, the money's just flowing. Whether you lose money, make money, die, rot, lose your house, this guy's making a killing. I despise him. I think I've talked about some other YouTubers. I do think he's probably the worst thing for the crypto space. He was the worst thing in 2017 when he was shilling Bitcoin when it hit all-time highs at 20,000, telling people it was going to keep going up. All the smart money was pulling out. He was on CNBC telling everybody it's going to go up. Then just look over the years, all the UST pumping. This guy pumped UST daily. And even when UST ran out of money, he said, no, they're adding more money. It's going to be okay. UST. Oh, Do Kwon's buying Bitcoin. UST is going to be okay. At the same time, I was making a video telling people, folks, Luna and UST, it's a scam. It's going to crash. Of course, I had like no subscribers, so nobody listened. But this guy is the worst. And his freaking team here, it's like a team out of the freaking penitentiary. It's like a team out of juvenile hall, that just got released. I don't know, man. I don't know how people can't see it. For entertainment, I listen to him all the time. I think he's entertaining. You can get some good information from him because he reads the news. I mean, if you're reading the news, and he has big time guests on his show because big time guests just want to go somewhere where there's a big audience. So on that front, but man, this leverage trading that this guy, he knows 99% of everybody that signs up for this leverage trading are going to lose it all. And he just he's gone full 100% into the leverage trading, trying to get all his people wrecked. And if you can't see it, look, so this is two segments, even more. Oh my God, even more than that. So you're looking at the last basically 30% of his video today. It's a 40-minute video, so like the last 15 minutes is just basically begging people to sign up for his referral links and go into Bybit. And his other one, BitGet, which is so US-based people can get wrecked doing leverage. I mean, a trading competition in the middle of a bear market, in the middle of a recession, the world's crumbling. This fucker's holding a freaking Bybit trading competition. There's so much evil in the crypto space. It's mind-numbing. Okay, so that's basically the crypto banter for today. Also want to talk a little bit more about Theta. I just want to let people know, Theta had a high of $15. It's down to $1. I've been talking for the last 6 months. Theta's probably going to be hanging out between $1 and $2 for the rest of this bear market. Maybe we'll see an 80-cent Theta, around there. We'll probably pump back up from there. But there's a lot going on with Theta. Keep in mind, folks, they just hired somebody to help out with the meta chain. This is a recent post from Theta. And they also have the meta chain, which gets released, I believe, in December. So that's a very big upgrade for Theta. So you're probably going to see a pump then regardless. But you have to remember, folks, millionaires are made in the bear market. No matter what the price action on a lot of these coins, and we'll use Theta for example, they are 100% full steam ahead, looking forward, hiring people. They have their upgrades coming out. Everything's good to go. So don't just look at the price action. The price will catch up to what's going on right now. And like I've always said, millionaires are made in the bear market. You have to be buying. You have to be buying good projects in the bear market. You can't wait for Theta to go back to $8, $9, $10 and be like, oh, it's bullish again. Okay, I got to get back into my Theta. Okay. Well, maybe you'll double your money if Theta hits $20 or something like that, or $25. But this is when the big gains are made. And I'm not saying Theta is not going to go lower. Hey, look, if Theta goes down to 80 cents, 70 cents, I'm buying. I'm ready. But I really think we're very near the lows for coins like Theta and Cardano, and you have to be in. And look at YouTube videos, look at websites for these projects, look at the Twitter. If you're seeing constant posts from the company of upgrades and people they're hiring, that's a good sign. So I'm as bullish as ever on Theta. I had one of my friends say to me the other day, he's like, oh, how's that Theta working out for you? And I'm just like, well, I paid off my Airbnb property with Theta, and I'm buying more right now because I want to buy another property in 2024. Like, the dumb money just doesn't understand that you buy when the price is low. When all the dumb money is saying, oh, how's that project working out for you? How's that Bitcoin working out for you? Or they're making funny. I'm like, dude, you work 60 hours a week and you work for a fucking rental car company place. Like, you've clearly failed in every aspect. So, like, don't listen to the dumb money. Listen to the smart money, and you'll do just fine. Follow what the successful people are doing. Follow what the billionaires are doing, like Paul Tudor Jones. when the dumb guy who works at the store, or the plumber, or the electrician, or the cop is trying to tell you, oh, he's trying to make fun of you for one of your investments, just realize that they're not the smart money. They're just not. So, you have to look past that. And when coins are dumping, it's hard to do because you kind of get stuck in that whole miserable, depressing mentality. But these projects like Theta, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, they're going to make a lot of millionaires in the coming years. And I'd rather be on that millionaire train. I'm not going to be on that misery train. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through cycles. We had the bull market. Now we're in the bear market. We got the happening in 2024. It's as simple as that. And this is the best opportunity right now at these prices to be loading up. All right, folks, like and subscribe. And thanks for all the new subscribers. I had a bunch of new subscribers over the last couple days. I'm glad people are liking my videos. Remember, no hype, no shilling, no leverage trading, no buying shit coins. Unless you really want to buy shit coins, you can. I do have a big bag of shit coins. You can find my previous videos where I talk about a bunch of my metaverse shit coins. But yeah, thanks for subscribing, like and subscribe. And like I said, folks, the goal is in the coming years, everybody who watches this channel is going to have very, very substantial gains by buying these projects. There's no guarantees. Everything could go to zero. Theta could go to zero. Cardano could go to zero. Bitcoin could go to zero. But for me, I'm just following the 4-year cycles. I've seen it happen multiple times before. All of the coins I'm talking about have survived multiple bear markets. So we've all been through this before. They've survived COVID. Remember COVID, folks, when the markets were crashing, everybody thought we were all going to die and everything was going to zero. Well, a few months later, we were at all-time highs. So it's time to use some common sense, ignore the FUD, and just be buying these dips. And in the coming year or two, we'll be laughing all the way to the bank, quite literally. All right, like and subscribe. Have a good day.